Everyone has written down the date?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now it's about, first and foremost, it's about Frederick Nash. Frederick O. Nash, you know, he was an American poet and he was born in 1902. Okay, and he died in 1971. So he was an American poet and very famous for his poems. And he is known as the producer of humorous stories or poetry. Humorous means that makes you laugh. Okay. So now this poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. So this poem, it's written about a little girl, Belinda, who owns many pets. Pet, you know,
मैम
pet animals. Yes.
मैम ये हो गए मैम, बट मैम पेज नंबर 130 से करवानी है मैम, पेज नंबर 130 लास्ट सेकंड पैराग्राफ।
किसने करवाया ये इसको?
मैम त्रिशा मैम।
अच्छा, मैम ने करवा दिया
त्रिशा मैम ने करवाई थी।
इन द
यस मैम,
क्लास?
लास्ट सेकंड पैराग्राफ मैम, 130 पेज नंबर लास्ट सेकंड पैराग्राफ
Beta,
से
I
करवाना
don't
है।
have, actually, I am not having the book. It's PDF that I have taken out. My book is
ओके
there in
मैम,
the
तो
school.
पैराग्राफ बट अब जंप कस्टर्ड
मैम बट
मैम,
अब
बट
जम से करवा।
एक minute. Let me take out. Okay, stanza 3. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. ये हो गया ना?
यस
Para
मैम।
3. Para 3 was done.
लास्ट सिक्स्थ पैराग्राफ, लास्ट
Last
सिक्स्थ
6
पैराग्राफ।
para. Okay, okay. This is Belinda giggled till she shook the house.
नो मैम, लास्ट सिक्स्थ।
Last 6. So yeah, you tell me the line, the beginning line.
मैम बट अब जम्प्ड कस्टर्ड स्नॉटिंग लाइक एन।
This is the beginning line.
यस मैम।
Okay. Let me take out. Okay, let me find it. Just wait. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine.
यस मैम। यस मैम।
Okay. So above it, you might have done ki when all of them, they saw the pirate, you know, they all got very much afraid. They all got very much frightened. And Belinda was so frightened, you know, that she turned yellow due to fear. Okay. She turned pale due to fear and she started crying for help. Now, even the mustard, the dog, you know, it started crying for help. The kitten, okay, ran down towards the bottom of the house as if he had already planned for it. And the mouse, you know, it ran into his little mouse hole in order to save himself. Matlab, everybody, you know, was trying to save themselves, and nobody tried to push out this pirate, to throw out this pirate. Okay. Even Belinda, she was frightened. Nobody was there to come and help Belinda, right? Now what happens? But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon. With a clatter and a clank and a jangling squim, he went at the pirate, like a robin at a worm. Okay. Snorting means making a sudden explosive sound. Write down the meanings too, beta. Snorting means making a sudden explosive sound. Written, making a sudden explosive sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clashed means fought. Clashed means fought. Dungeon means underground prison. Dungeon means who's this Dell? Dungeon means underground prison.
Ma'am, underground.
Underground prison. Underground cells होते हैं ना, underground prisons होते हैं ना, उनको dungeons बोला जाता है. Clatter clank होता है something hard that has fallen on the ground and it makes sound. Clatter clank. Write down. Sound of hard object. Clatter clang means sound of hard object falling on each other. Okay, and robin is a bird. रिंकी खुशवाहा, अभी ये मैसेजेस भेजना जरूरी है. बहुत जल्दी गुड मॉर्निंग याद आ रहा है. You are not attentive. Instead of it, you are sending such messages, good morning and all.
Sorry, ma'am.
So should I begin now? You have written the meanings? Written
Yes,
the
ma'am.
meanings, children? Okay. Now all the other animals, earlier they were defined as very brave. And this dragon, he was made fun of, right? इसकी हंसी उड़ाई जाती थी और जो सारे पेट्स थे उसके बड़े ब्रेव मानती थी वो. Okay. Now all these creatures, है ना, who were considered very brave, they got frightened, right? And this dragon who was made fun of, they used to laugh at him. He did something very unexpected. He jumped onto the pirate and he made such a strong sound with his nose, as if the engine it produced a sound. ठीक है, माउस भी भाग गया, राइट. और कौन कौन थे पेट एनिमल्स? Mustard the dog, it also ran. Kitten also ran. But this dragon, it did not run. Instead, he jumped onto the pirate and he made such a big strange sound. इतनी भयानक sound निकाली है उसने अपने nose से, as if जब engine start होता है ना, it produces a sound. Okay. And इसके अलावा, what did he do? He just hit his tail on the ground with great force. तो जैसे ही उसने टेल हिट करी, so it produced a great sound, a heavy sound of metal, as if it is being rubbed against each other in the underground prisons. Got it? See, clash his tail like irons in a dungeon. Clashing his tails means उसने अपनी टेल को इतनी जोर से हिट करा, है ना, जैसे डंजन्स में हिट करते हैं, अंडरग्राउंड डंजन्स यानी अंडरग्राउंड प्रिजन्स में. Okay. And then he attacked the pirate just like Robin Bird that attacked the worms. Whenever the worms are there, the birds, they just attack it. Robin Bird is a very small bird, a very sweet bird is there, okay? And that bird, it is very fond of eating worms. Okay? कीड़े मकोड़े खाना उसको बहुत पसंद होता है. तो जैसे ही वो कोई भी worms देखती है ना, एकदम से झपट्टा मारती है. Okay? तो similarly, इस ड्रैगन ने भी यही करा. क्या करा? उसने पायरेट को अटैक करा. Similarly, like a robin bird, it attacks the worms. Clear? Not
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. But jumped up custard, yani custard the dragon, it jumped up on the pirate, snorting like an engine. Snorting yani it made a sound as if when the engine starts, it gives a great sound. Okay. Similarly, it made clash his tail like irons in a dungeon. Okay. और उसने अपनी tail को जोर से hit करा. Okay. एक metallic sound निकाली in the underground prison. With the clatter and clank. Clatter और clank मैंने बताया था ना कि it is a sound of something very hard object, when it falls onto another object, है ना. जब जो दो बहुत भारी चीजें टकराती हैं ना तो उनको बोला जाता है। तो इस तरह की साउंड उसने निकाली। And he went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. Now here it has been compared to a worm, to a robin, and it is a simile comparison है यहाँ पर, है ना, simile है, और ड्रैगन को रॉबिन से कंपेयर करा है कि when a robin sees a worm it attacks on him. Similarly, with great force, okay, in a very fast speed, this dragon, it attacked the pirate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब देखो इसमें राइमिंग स्कीम भी है. See the rhyming scheme. Do you know what is a rhyming scheme? Do you know, children, what is a rhyming scheme? See the last words,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have
Engine,
similar
engine,
sounds.
scrum.
See the last words, they have similar sounds. Engine and dungeon. The sound of na is there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Na sound hai na dono mein, so this is A. Okay. And then see the next
Yes,
line,
ma'am.
swim and warm. Mer sound, it's ending with the mer sound, both the words. Okay, so when they have similar sounds in the end, that is the rhyming scheme. Got it? So the rhyming scheme iski kya hai? A, B hai rhyming scheme. And even the similes are used. Similes are what? Comparison. Okay. See now, sound of dragon, it is compared to the sound of engine. So simile ho gayi. ठीक है ना? रॉबिन बर्ड की तरह वो अटैक करता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ कंपैरिजन, वो भी सिमिली हो गई. क्लियर? नाउ स्टैंजा 11. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon. Okay, gaping means just looking with mouth wide open. Write down. Gaping means looking with mouth wide open, staring. Gaped means looking with mouth wide open. And gulped means swallowed. उसने निगला, पिया. Some grog is a drink. Write it, grog is a drink. From his pocket, flagon is a container that is made up of silver in which drink is stored. देखते हो ना, बॉटल एक उसकी होती है, मेटल की बॉटल होती है ना, थोड़ी फ्लैट टाइप, जिसमें ड्रिंक भरी होती है. And people who drink, they put it in their pocket. So even he took out the flagon, opened it, and he gulped. यानी उसने एक घूंट पी ली. किसने पी ली? ड्रैगन ने या पायरेट ने?
Pirate ने.
पायरेट ने.
Pirate.
Very good. He fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit. And Custard gobbled him every bit. Now see, what did this Custard do? See now, as soon as this Custard it attacked the pirate, pirate, he tried to save himself. He looked with wide open eyes, okay, at this dragon, and he just opened the bottle and he swallowed, okay. So he swallowed the drink. उसने थोड़ी सी drink पी, and then he tried to fire and he tried to kill this Custard, okay. But what happens? The Custard, it attacks on him and gobbles him every bit. Gobbles मतलब फटाफट उसको निगलने लगा, swallow करने लगा. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Belinda embraced him, Mustard licked him, no one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and blink in glee did gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate. Now what happened, Belinda, she was so happy that she embraced matlab usko gale laga liya, hugged this ड्रैगन मस्टर्ड जो डॉग था इट स्टार्टेड लिकिंग हिम, उसको चाटने लगा. And no one mourned for his pirate victim, and nobody mourning is feeling sorry on somebody's death, okay, crying on somebody's death. अब ये pirate जो था victim बन गया है, okay, किसका बन गया, custard का victim बन गया, शिकार बन गया. Nobody mourned means nobody cried for that pirate, okay. And ink and blink and glee did gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate, okay. Or ink or blink jo the, glee means happiness, delight, you know, they started dancing around the dragon, okay. The dragon, the custard that ate the pirate. Got it? Means they all were showing the gratitude towards the dragon who had eaten the pirate and saved all of them. आ गया समझ में?
Yes.
वापस से समझाऊं? You understood?
No, ma'am.
एक बार आप वापस मैम, एक बार वापस.
एक बार वापस.
And what is the
समझाऊं?
meaning of no one mode?
हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
वो लास्ट वाला पंजाबी.
अच्छा, Belinda embraced him. This you understood? Everybody was happy. Belinda ने
ma'am.
उसको हक कर लिया.
Ma'am, is-
Mustard licked him. 1 minute. Mustard उसको लिक करने लगा, चाटने लगा. Okay. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Okay. The pirate, you know, it has become a victim of prey. Okay. एक शिकार बन गया था, है ना? किसका? Custard का. तो he was being eaten up by custard. लेकिन कोई भी mourning नहीं कर रहा था. Nobody was crying for this pirate. Ink and blink and glee did gyrate. Ink and blink, you know, they were so happy and to show their gratitude, they were in glee. Glee means, did gyrate means they started, gyrate is dancing, okay. Glee means they were so delighted, they were so happy that they started dancing around the dragon that ate the pirate, okay. Dragon के चारों तरफ खुशी के मारे नाचने लगे जिसने पायरेट को खाया था, okay. So means
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the characters were happy beta and they were showing their gratitude. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Then, but presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I had have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. Okay, flustered means upset or confused. Now see, they all are giving the clarification now. नहीं तो बेलिंडा को लगेगा सब कितने डरपोक थे, okay? और जिसकी हम हंसी उड़ाते थे, he had proved to be a brave one, okay? लेकिन अब Mustard, you know, they showed their love, they thanked, okay, him, और फिर उसके बाद, you know, उनका mind change हो गया, ठीक है? और उनको ध्यान आया कि how they used to make fun of this coward dragon, और अब प्रेस कर रहे हैं. तो अपनी गलती को छुपाने के लिए, you know, Mustard it started telling कि, you know, I was in bit confusion, you know, I was upset, otherwise I would have done the same thing that Custard had done. And up spoke ink and up spoke blink. अब इसी तरह से ink और blink भी बोलने लगे. Okay, we had been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. So now कि both ink और blink भी कहने लगे कि वो भी 3 गुना ज्यादा Custard से they are brave. Getting it? Now see, above para में everybody is giving thanks to the Custard, to this Custard, okay, to this dragon, and they are showing the happiness. लेकिन बाद में एकदम से उनको realize होता है कि they had been making fun of him. समझ गए बेटा? तो अपनी गलती छुपाने के लिए, है ना, बड़ी शेखी बगाड़ने लगते हैं. वो जो डॉग है वो कहता है, you know, यदि मैं अपसेट नहीं होता तो I would have killed the pirate. और इंक और ब्लिंक भी कहते हैं कि they would have 3 times ब्रेवर देन कस्टम, है ना, 3 गुना ज्यादा ब्रेव थे कस्टर्ड से. अब जो ड्रैगन होता है बड़ा हम्बल होता है, तो वो कहता है, यस आई फुली अग्री टू यू, ओके, दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर मोर पावरफुल एंड ब्रेवर देन मी. गॉट इट? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Belinda
ma'am.
still lives in a little white house with her little black kitten and her little gray mouse. So Belinda आज भी रहती है in a little white house. Okay, kitten is living there, gray mouse is living there, and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon. Okay, all are living, and her Triello little pet dragon भी रह रहा है. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of beers. And Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a rage. But custards keep crying for a nice safe cage. Okay, और लास्ट में जो पोएट है, ठीक है, वो सेम लाइंस यूज कर रहे हैं कि इस टेरिफिक एपिसोड के बाद, है ना, इसमें द ड्रैगन वाज द हीरो वेयर ऑल द अदर कैरेक्टर्स वर स्टिल अंडरमाइंड हिम बाय सेइंग दैट दे वर मोर पावरफुल देन हिम एंड दे कुड हैव हैंडल्ड द सिचुएशन इन मच अ बेटर वे. तो पोएट कहता है कि उसके बाद द लाइफ इट स्टार्टेड अगेन इन द सेम मैनर. बेलिंडा अभी भी लिटिल व्हाइट हाउस में अपने इंक ब्लिंक मस्टर्ड कस्टर्ड सबके साथ रहती है एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर ब्रेव. वेरस ड्रैगन अभी भी कावर्ड है, ओके, जो हमेशा रोता रहता है टू स्टे सेफ इन अ केज. क्लियर? नाइस पोएम ना? गॉट इट बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
पोएम अच्छी है ना
Yes,
ये?
ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
ह्यूमरस पोएम है ये.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है, अब बाद में नेक्स्ट हम करेंगे when we have the class on Wednesday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Did you people come to the school? Yes, what happened, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And tomorrow is school or not?
But yeah, you are going to get a message from sir, okay? Because tomorrow is 26th Jan, so only flag hosting will be there, no regular
Yes, ma'am.
classes. So, sir, he is
Okay,
going
ma'am.
to send us the message, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye and take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
beta. God bless you all.